We are hearing for the first time from a teen's dad after learning her basketball coaches are now facing second-degree murder charges in connection with her death. Imani Bell's father calls the charges the first step toward justice after Imani collapsed during an outdoor practice on an especially hot August day back in 2019. Joe Hankey broke the story yesterday on the indictment. And Joe, you've learned that one of the coaches has now been fired as a teacher at another school?
That's right, Sheba. Until yesterday, Imani Bell's head basketball coach was a teacher at a charter school in Fulton County. But hours after we asked the school if they were aware of the recent arrest and murder charge against her, the school announced she was fired.
I'm happy that, like we said before, the DA brought the charges forth and everybody's being held accountable. And we just want to continue to move forward so we can bring some closure to it.
Imani Bell's father, Eric, is understandably still grieving, with Friday marking 2 years since her death. On the day Imani died following an outdoor practice at Elite Scholars Academy, Bell family attorneys claim the heat index exceeded 100 degrees. Eric Bell coaches at another Clayton County school, but says his students didn't practice.
Because of the heat index, and we did the wet bulb test at the school, and the principal made an announcement to cancel all practices.
That is why he felt someone needed to be held accountable for Imani's death. A Clayton County grand jury agreed, charging head girls basketball coach LaRosa Ashakire and assistant coach Dwight Palmer with second-degree murder, second-degree child cruelty, involuntary manslaughter, and reckless conduct. A year after Bell's death, the Main Street Academy, a Fulton County charter school, welcomed its newest 8th grade math teacher, LaRosa Ashakire, in a social media post. She was indicted last month, and then around July 8th, she was arrested and later released on bond. On July 29th,
I am Mrs. Ashakire, your 8th grade math teacher for this school year.
She appeared in this video on Main Street Academy's website welcoming students to the new school year. When asked about Ashakire continuing to teach, Eric Bell kept the focus on his daughter.
It's just the tragedy that happened with Imani shouldn't have happened, and we're just glad that the coach is being held accountable.
On Tuesday, 11 Alive asked school administrators if they knew of and had any comment about the charges Ashakire faces in Clayton County. Hours later, Ashakire was no longer listed on the school's website. In late Tuesday night, the principal emailed parents stating an 8th grade teacher had been fired due to an ethical standards violation. In response to several follow-up questions from 11 Alive, a school spokeswoman said the school does not comment on pending litigation, but Main Street Academy is not named in any court case related to Bell's death. And cases of a student-athlete's death leading to a coach being charged with murder are extremely rare. In fact, we can only find one other case more than 10 years ago in Kentucky.